Hey friends, it's Cool Katie, and today we're going to talk about our top 3 smart thermostat options. The 3 thermostat options that we're going to cover today are the Ecobee, the Honeywell T6, and the Nest. Technology has just come such a long way, and all of these options can save you lots of money on energy bills and connect to your smart home devices like Alexa so that you can communicate with them, play music with them, even call your mom with them. So let's get started. All 3 options connect to Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. All options are compatible with 90% of HVAC systems. All options have the geo-fencing feature, which connects to your phone, and so when you're getting close to home, it alerts your HVAC system through the thermostat, and it heats or cools the home to the proper temperature. So the first option is the Ecobee. It offers a schedule assistant that learns your routine and will assist you with making the most economic and cost-saving temperature changes throughout the day and night. It has an average home energy cost savings of 23%, a 3-year warranty, and the average cost without installation is $249. All right, next is the Nest. It has a learning feature similar to the Ecobee schedule assistant that learns your daily temperature habits, and once it's learned its preferences and your preferences, it'll automatically schedule your temperature throughout the day and night. Average home energy savings with the Nest are around $131 a year. There's a 2-year warranty, and the average cost, not including installation, is $249. Last but not least is the Honeywell T6. It offers connectivity with a security system if you have one in your home. The average home energy savings are about $135 a year, so just a little bit more savings from what the Nest customers save. It comes with a 5-year warranty and is the cheapest option out of the 3 at around $115 without installation. If you want to upgrade your thermostat, let us know. And either way, we hope that you stay cool and stay comfy.